Also, a quick update on my Echeveria Whimsy. They're starting to color up. Now, this one is my 50% UV shade cloth area. This pot here is my original pot, and that one there in the back is the babies that I chop from the mother pot and planted in that big pot, and now they are growing. Now, I put this one here, is Echeveria paketoides for comparison. So this one now, see the color? Look at that. Echeveria paketoides, Echeveria Whimsy. And this is also Whimsy, and I've done a test with this one to see which one will color up better, whether in my 50% grown area, this one, or out in the open. Out in the open, we see a Whimsy smiling at me. Look, let's go compare the two. Look, the one on the left is grown in the shade and the one on the right is out in the sun. I only put that one on the right out here to endure the frost for the last couple of weeks, and I don't think it likes it very much. So this one is much more colorful in the shade. So this Whimsy now, and this one as well, I compared that one for Supreme. This is Supreme, and look at the difference of the color. The color is just so intense. Oh my goodness, I love my Whimsy. I love my Whimsy. Yes, I do. And, okay, this one, Supreme, Graptophytum Supreme, or Graptosedum Supreme, I think. Compare, same area, Whimsy wins it. Now, this one is also Echeveria paketoides on the older plant version, and color is sort of the same, but Whimsy has got that certain purple tinge on it that is just so different and delicious. Now, see, big paketoides, small paketoides. Now, this one now, I can go back there. So that is my Whimsy update.